Hi guys, in today's video I'll be discussing an important rule of trigonometry. So now if we have a graph, this is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. And in the first quadrant, everything, sine, cos and tan, all of them are positive. So all of them are positive. And in the second quadrant, only sine is positive. The third quadrant, only tan is positive. And in the fourth quadrant, only cos is positive. So now, if we move on to some questions using this formula or table, we can find out the value of tan 150 degrees without using a calculator. So now, 150 we know it lies in the second quadrant, and we know that in second quadrant only sine is positive. So therefore, we know that the value of tan 150 will be negative something. So now, A will be equal to 180 minus 150, as if we have a graph, this will be 150 degrees, then this will be the value of A. So now, moving on, we know the value of A is 30 degrees. So tan 150 is equal to negative tan 30. And using the table, we can find out that the value is negative root 3 divided by 3. So now moving on to another question, we have to find the value of cos minus pi by 3. We know that minus pi by 3 is in radians, and to find out radians in degrees, we know that it's negative 60 degrees. And negative 60 lies in the fourth quadrant. It lies in the fourth quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant, tan is positive. So therefore, we know that the value of cos is positive in the fourth quadrant. Therefore, we know that the value of cos negative pi by 3 will be positive. So now, A is equal to pi by 3 because it's in the fourth quadrant and it's positive. Therefore, cos of negative pi by 3 is equal to cos of pi by 3 because it's in the fourth quadrant. And using the table, we can find out that the value of cos pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 degrees, 1 by 2 radians, as cos of 60 is also 1 by 2. Okay, that's it for today's video, guys. In today's video, I discussed the Astc rule, and we recapped that in the first quadrant, everything is positive. In the second quadrant, only sine is positive. In the third quadrant, only cos is positive. And in the in the third quadrant, only tan is positive. And in the fourth quadrant, only cos is positive. Thank you.